Okay, everybody. So I haven't posted in a while. Sorry about that. So what do you do if there's no extra toasty Cheez-Its and you only got cheddar cheese, like white cheddar? Well, I'll show you how to make extra toasty. So we're making extra toasty Cheez-Its and Doritos.
And I have Dorito.
Cool. So this is my friend Toby here.
I was in another short.
Who's the crazy kid in that one short? Anyways, we'll get our stuff here, and I'm gonna eat some extra toasty Cheez-Its that are actually white cheddar. So there's a nice crispy,
and it's about to fall.
Yeah. Mine, I don't know how it looks on the bottom. Also, that's my go-kart. My dad's riding it right now. Sorry if the camera quality is bad.
Yeah.
You gonna try that chip?
You
over-exaggerating?
No. Buttload of flavor.
Alright. So not much happened with this test subject. I'm gonna gobble up this test subject. Warm? That's warm. Good. Anyone that's watching, try that sometime. Like, no kidding, this is actually good. Alright, this is going into full swing. Cooking them. That's just a little bit of dick on there. There we go. Nice and warm, actually. Alright, here we go. Alright, this right here, the Cheez-It, and I'm about to go in my mouth. Alright. Well, we got my friend to eat this, and then that's it. Alright.
I picked this right off the grill because I'm built different. That's baked.
Double baked. That's what I like to say.
That was hot.
That one? Alright, we gotta go. Bye-bye.